In the second half of our previous session, the fifth one, we discussed verb in detail and concluded our session at the point what a verb is. The answer is very simple. Whenever and wherever we talk about whatever we do in any role or as any character, whatever we do with our body organs, with anything at any place, for doing any activity or during any activity, for any idea. Whenever we talk about any of all these, what we do, we always use a word. This word which we use to talk about our action is called verb. Your attention please. I make video lecture. How do I make? Honestly, devotedly, lovingly, creatively, properly. It's my belief that I make like that. If you've decided to watch this video, please watch it. But how to watch? Keenly, critically. During this activity of yours, I mean to say this activity which you are carrying out right now. Ask questions. How to ask? Logically, rationally. As my talk is over, please give your feedback in the comment section. How to give it? Innovatively, convincingly, fairly, sincerely. I always welcome criticism. You know how do I welcome it? Wholeheartedly, positively. Each of these 15 words is the answer to the question about 5 actions. I mean to say make, watch, ask, give and welcome. How do we do these 5 actions? The actions which are mentioned in these 5 sentences. Point to be noted, please. Each word which I used in answer to the how question is called adverb. These 15 words, I mean to say these 15 adverbs, fall in adverbs of manners. One of the most 10 famous types of adverbs. Let's discuss the second one. You can see that I'm sitting. Where am I sitting? Here. At the table, in front of you. You are watching me now. Where? There, on the screen. The word or group of words which is used in answer to the where question is called adverb. All these 5 answers to the where questions fall in adverbs of place, the third type. The video you are watching now is moving. Yeah, it is. But where? Forward. If you want to watch the previous point of this video again, you will have to move the video. But where? Backward. The third type is known as adverbs of direction. Time is another feature of each action we perform. For example, you are watching me. When? Now. I fell ill. You know when? Yesterday. I hope that I will completely recover, inshallah. When? Soon. Pray for me. Answer to the when question is known as adverb, which falls in the fourth type named adverbs of time. The fifth type is adverbs of frequency. What's that? Very simple. Ask the question, how frequently do we do some action? And answer to this question shall be known as adverb. We miss our loved ones. How frequently do we miss them? Always. People smoke. I'm sure you know that people smoke. How frequently do they smoke? It varies person to person. Some people like me never smoke. Some people smoke occasionally. Some seldom. Some often. Some usually. Occasionally, seldom, often, usually. I'm sure you picked the point. I've been talking to you since you played this video, since you started this video. How much, again, how much did you understand what I tried to explain? Your answer to this question shall fall in the sixth type known as adverbs of degree. Choose and write type in the comment section the level, the degree of your this action, the action you have been doing, performing since the start of this video, since the start of my talk. How much you understood completely, thoroughly, widely, partly, sufficiently, dimly, wholly, deeply. The remaining types, affirmation, negation, and interrogation, certainty and uncertainty, number or order, and comparison. A detailed discussion in some other session in the days to come, inshallah.